Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We at 23 Sumner Street in North Attleboro at a bedroom apartment, 1 bathroom, 2 stories, laundry in the unit, freshly painted walls and ceilings, brand new windows all throughout the unit. This is bedroom 1, bedroom 2, very nice, plenty of closets, bathroom, and a tub. Moving on to the third biggest bedroom in the apartment. There's off-street parking, again laundry in the unit, storage in the basement. This is a nice, decent-sized apartment on a quiet street. We're going down to the first floor with a spacious dining room and an extra room. All right, straight ahead is the entry door from the street. The extra room, lots of space in this apartment. And we also have a brand new vinyl floor in this room as well as in the kitchen. So this unit was really updated very, very nicely. Kitchen, washer and dryer, stackable dishwasher, a mudroom exiting to the back and to a nice sized backyard. And then the kitchen, you have all the necessities, and the sink area has its own space as well. Plenty of cabinets. Thank you.